Hello kids, I'm a cockatoo. I have a fancy yellow crest on my head. My voice sounds like this.
Hello kids, I'm a crane. I have long legs and a graceful neck. I talk like this.
Hello kids, I'm a crow. I'm super smart and love shiny things. I sound like this.
Hello kids, I'm a duck. I love swimming and waddling around. This is how I talk.
Hello kids, I'm an eagle. I fly really high and see everything from above. My sound goes like this.
Hello kids, I'm a falcon. I'm the fastest bird in the sky. I sound like this.
Hello kids, I'm a hen. I lay eggs and cluck all day long. I talk like this.
Hello, kids. I'm a hoopoe. I have a cool fan-like crest on my head. My voice sounds like this.
Hello kids, I'm a macaw. I'm colorful and love to copy sounds. I sound like this.
Hello, kids. I'm an owl. I'm awake at night and see in the dark. This is how I talk.
Hello kids, I'm a parrot. I can mimic your voice and say funny words. I talk like this.
Hello, kids. I'm a peacock. I spread my colorful feathers to dance. I sound like this. Hello, kids. I'm a pigeon. I love flying in the city and finding crumbs to eat. I sound like this.
Hello, kids. I'm a quail. I'm small and love to walk in groups. This is how I talk.
Hello kids, I'm a sparrow. I'm tiny, quick and always chirping. I sound like this.
Hello, kids. I'm a swallow. I fly fast and love catching insects. I sound like this.
Hello kids, I'm a turkey. I puff up my feathers and wobble when I walk. This is how I sound.
Hello kids, I'm a vulture. I help clean nature by eating leftovers. My voice sounds like this.